like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and think like them.
Hi guys! Hey, today I have something totally different for you. Today I have been to the TicToc Shop. Now, I have several items, and I will have to do the try on at the end, but I will put the prices and the links down below. And first, we'll start with this. Now, this is the first time I've ever shopped on TicToc Shop, and I kind of think there might be a learning curve. But here's a little pair of Capris black pants, and I got those because I thought, well, maybe I might need those for Louisiana. Just your average black Capris. They got a slit here. Some people call them clam diggers. Some people call them beach combers. Some people call them Capris. Some people call them short pants. Anyway, I like the size on them. I like mine a little bit big. I don't want to see every little move. And then I got this little Skort. Now this one has pockets on the outside. I don't know if it has pockets on the inside or not. Some of these have pockets on the inside, but I think I prefer them on the outside. See, they have the shorts underneath. Set. Yeah, see, they have the pockets on the outside here. So I thought I'd try them. I have never tried them. This Skort is a little tighter, but it also has pockets, and it also has a tag so you can tell if you got them on the right way. So I really do like this one. I don't really like the gut, but you know, that's my fault, not their fault. But I do like this one. And I thought, well, okay, let's do this. And then, of course, you know, I'm going to be in Louisiana for graduation. And I don't know how long I'm staying, so I thought, well, I'll go ahead and get a Memorial Day shirt just in case. And there's that. It's cute. I just threw this shirt on over my bathing suit. Because, you know, I figured I'd embrace my inner grandmahood. Oh well, it'll look good with them black. And then I got, and I'm telling you, TicToc Shop was a whole new experience for me. And then I got this pair. Now this one, the pockets are on the inside, I believe. Which kind of seems to me like it might be a little awkward at times. Yeah, they're right here in the shorts. But okay. I think I would like them better on the skirt, but okay, and I'll try that on too. Here's the first Skort. It comes really high up. This is I got two different sizes because I wanted to see. I thought older women might want theirs a little longer. But I'll be honest with you, it looks more like a funeral skirt. And then I got this. Now I got all these because I think all these came with free shipping. Because I'm kind of choosy about what I get on there because I'm not that familiar with it yet. But here's the bottoms to a bathing suit. And here's the top to my little tankini. The bathing suit. Now if you're going to ignore my fat and scars, I wanted to show you. This has this part underneath for all your support, which is nice. So that way it can be flowy everywhere else. Has adjustable straps, so that's nice. So yeah, this is a go. And then I got another pair of these because I kind of wanted to compare them to the ones I got off of Temu. And these are got a very slick base on them. So, but they do have paper in them to keep their shape, which the ones on Temu did not have. So, I got those. And I already showed you these leggings. And then I got, I'm gonna put this in the try-on pile or I'll forget it. And then I got this. I got this dress. Yeah. Goes like this in the front. You see it kind of has like a little flowy thing here. But it's not. And then it has this little thing that goes over it, you know, so you can wear a bra with it. Maybe, if I get it right. So you can wear a bra over it. So anyway, I will try that on. I'm thinking about wearing that to Serena's graduation. Okay, and here's the dress with the little cover up that came with it. But I'll be honest with you, I like it better without this thing. I'll show you. See, I like it much better this way. What do you think? This is what I think I'm going to wear at my granddaughter's graduation. Too gaudy? Too grandmothery? Let me know. We'll see. And then I also got this. This was like $4 or $5. It wasn't very expensive at all. And I've been seeing these all over TikTok. And it's one of those that you put across this way. And it has a pocket here, a slip pocket here. It has that must not be a real pocket. Oh no, it's a real pocket. Just not working. Oh, now it works. Now it works. Now there's a slip pocket here. And then you got, I don't know why they do this, but okay. Okay, then you got this. And then you got this. This has a pocket on the inside too, right here. So, I mean, it's quite roomy. I don't know what this thing's for. Do you know what that thing's for? Does anybody know what that thing's for? I don't know. But, you know, it's adjustable. You know, it's completely adjustable. You can adjust it to where it feels comfortable on you. Let's see. That's what she looks like. So, yeah. Convenient. So, anyway, I'll do my try-ons, and then I'll come back and say goodbye. And then I'll come back and end the video.